Just wanted to give you a real testimonial from a mom who has used the Bob for almost 5 years now, and I am obsessed with this brand. My Bob is the favorite stroller I have had. I mean, it's so easy to use. You can put the hood down and up. There's little cup holders for your kid. The seat belting is super simple. I'll give you a full demo too as we go, but I just want you to see, like, it swivels easily. Here comes my 4.5-year-old. Jump on in there, Jade. Show how you belt yourself. And even as they get older, you can still take them in this stroller. So I love that it grows with your kid. I've used this from when you use the adapter for their car seat and up, and then you strap them on in. Actually, at her age, she never wants to be strapped in, let's be honest. But she can pull the hood up and down. And then this part's so cool. Let me get a little closer up here for you. So I can see through right here, and I always love that feature, especially on walks, just to be able to kind of see, like, what was going on, what were they doing. The handlebars are adjustable. You guys, it's seriously the best stroller. I have taken this thing on runs, on walks, on trails, to the beach, to the zoo, to SeaWorld, to everywhere in between. Lots of Legoland trips. It is by far the easiest thing to push and pull. There's only one thing that ever tripped me up, and that was the very first time I used it. I got it out of the car, and I was like, how the heck does it open up? But I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. And if you are a fast runner, this knob right here, you just turn it down and then it locks the wheel in place. My husband, who's a triathlete, he runs with it locked in place. I've never needed to do that. I'm like a total jogger. And then this I use as a safety strap if I'm going down like a steep ramp or something like that. All right, my husband is here to show how easy it is to fold this thing up.
So there's two little levers here that we close up here. Put them down there, and then you have this red handle here. You pull it just with a very firm pull, and then it's folded up. All right, to open it, go ahead and undo the safety clasp that holds it closed up. Drop the wheels down, bring it up. When I do my different trainings for my running trips, I take the girls with me either on the single bob or the double bob, and it's a fantastic thing for running. They're comfortable. It's very comfortable for me to run with it. The front wheel locks forward so that it's not wobbling. And also it's great resistance training.